Hi, welcome to dishwasherratings.com, and today we're looking at the Frigidaire FPH D2491KF dishwasher. All the information is summarized for you in the 6 color-coded boxes. Everything's rated from best to poor, green to red. And the specifics and all the details and data behind the summary review we're going to do today are down below here. If you'd like to see the full written review, please follow the link below the video to the website. Starting at the top here, the cleaning capability. It is a sanitize capable machine. It's able to use high temperatures to sanitize, rinse, help remove deposits and bacteria, and that gets a better rating. Cycles and options, it has 10 of those respectively. That's about 6% higher than average, and that gets a better rating. Energy usage at 280 kilowatt hours per year, that's good or average. Water at 860 gallons per year, that's also typical and gets a good rating. And the same with the sound or decibels at 51 decibels. That's typical, and that gets a good rating as well. Now the cost of the machine at $849 MSRP is slightly better than average. It's just slightly better. Now if you'd like to click and compare, we do have over 700 models at dishwasher-ratings.com. You'll see the most popular models summarized there for you. But also you can click on best, you can look through quietest, efficient models, water savers, ratings by price, and you also can search ratings by brand. If you click on a brand, you'll be able to click and sort and compare within that, the models within that brand. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those for us. Thank you for taking a look at this review.